everyone, I'm Ed Tapper. I'm back again to you from Mr. C's Auto Mart in Midlothian, Illinois with this new arrival. These Kia Souls are very, very popular. Kia, of course, is a top-rated brand in the top 3 in all of Toyota and Honda by Consumer Reports. So we're looking at a 2013 Kia Soul Wagon. So this has got a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, very fuel economic, 30 miles per gallon. Close the hood. Souls are very spiffy cars. You see it's got the graphite honeycomb fascias. And it's got a nice black pinstripe. This particular one has these 10-spoke custom Proline aluminum wheels with body-colored mirrors, black door trim, privacy glass, as you see. These are very popular with all age groups. And we can't hold on to them here if that speaks to their popularity. Here's your rear compartment. It has a inflator kit, as all of them do. And these seats fold down to extend your cargo space. So you can adjust this as seem fit, as you see. The seats are dark gray cloth, premium cloth. There's the seat folded down from this angle. And there's your back seat. Probably better seat. There's your driver's seat, so it has manual adjustments for height and recline. This should be a better look at our back seat here. Full power window storage box. Manual adjusted mirrors. Here's the key. I'm sorry, here's the key. It's only got 68,152 miles. It's got a certified CARFAX history. Audio, cruise, and Bluetooth controls on the steering column. So it does have Bluetooth, AM, FM, a CD, SIRIUS satellite radio, and it has both USB and aux inputs. And a really, really nice car. So let me know if you're interested. Call me directly at 708-473-2014, or you can visit the website at mrcsautomart.com. Thanks.